Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to make your Instagram account private, so only people you approve can see your posts, stories, and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Account Privacy under the Who Can See Your Content section. Right at the top, you'll see an option labeled Private Account. Go ahead and toggle the switch on. Instagram will ask you to confirm. Tap Switch to Private. Once your account is private, only your followers will be able to see your posts and stories. Anyone who wants to follow you will now have to send a request. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now private. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Instagram tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.